We want to better service our customers, so we have partnered with Peoplevox and installed a warehouse management system. This prevents problems occurring and results in smiley, happy customers. If an item or garment is not where it should be, our picker needs to spend time looking for it. This delays the order fulfillment, which can lead to an unhappy customer and negative reviews. With our warehouse management system, every item is scanned into a location. This means that when a picker is looking for an item, it is always exactly where it should be. If incorrect items are picked, time is wasted at the pack bench where, hopefully, the error is noticed. If the fault is not realised, the wrong items are dispatched. We get goods in right first time by scanning everything. Using barcode scanners in our e-commerce warehouse makes it impossible to pick the wrong item or the wrong quantity. This is not only a lengthy process, but also highly inefficient and leaves a large margin for error due to lost or unfulfilled orders. Quite simply, we eliminated paper from our warehouse by using the Warehouse Management System mobile app. When you remove the room for human error, you're in a good position to ensure that you're able to ship every order on time and accurately without fail. If you have too many pickers working at the same time, you will likely be spending more money on labour than you're getting back in return. Overtime is starting to creep in, and sometimes deadlines for fulfillment are missed. The most efficient way to reduce the number of pickers needed was to introduce automation into our warehouse. Automation improves the efficiency of all your pickers. We saw a 75% increase in picks per person per hour when using the warehouse management system. Having fixed locations eliminates flexibility to allocate high-demand items closer to the pack bench when necessary. It also means that the warehouse space is not fully optimised, costing money and resources. We introduced a warehouse management system that allows for dynamic locations. This means that we can put multiple stock keeping units in one location, as well as putting single stock keeping units in multiple locations. By doing this, we make much better use of the space in our warehouse, save money, and postpone the need to move to a larger site. Time is required to train pickers on the layout of the warehouse. When peak season hits and temporary staff are taken on, the same training time cannot be afforded. With our warehouse management system, the location of every stock keeping unit is recorded. This means that when an item needs to be picked, the location is shown on the mobile app, eliminating all need for pickers to memorise the locations. This also means that temporary pickers can start using the system immediately without the need for involved orientation. This is an inefficient process that wastes valuable time and resources. It also makes the order fulfillment longer, leading to dissatisfied customers. The reason that one order is generally picked in one pick run is because it is printed on a sheet of paper. However, by eliminating paper and using our warehouse management system workflow instead, pick runs can be devised in the most efficient manner, which can often mean multiple pickers pick items for one order as part of a batch run. The order is then combined at the pack bench, saving time and resources. No accountability in a team is divisive, demotivating, and hard to manage. Your warehouse manager needs to be in the thick of it to have their pulse on productivity, and even then, they can be open to personal bias. Not having this kind of visibility means that you're unable to assess the efficiency of your staff, as well as tracking the progress of an order. This means that you can't communicate with the customer regarding the status of their order. Our warehouse management system with focused e-commerce workflows provides with full visibility on all inventory movements, including which member of staff has performed each action.